Yo, ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of Maupheen, aka the lyrical monopolist, and this is my bad session, and this is how social media makes me feel. Eskimi, yeah. My first social media was Eskimi, not to go, and I felt great about it because it was just few people that were in it, so, and there was no much pressure being my first social media, so I enjoyed it. Right now I have only 3, I think. Instagram, Twitter, and my Snapchat. Yeah, sure. Apparently, like most of the people I work with right about now, I met them, most of them on social media, so I've made a couple of friends there. I don't use Facebook because I think it's virtually everybody is on Facebook, and I'm not just cool with that. Yeah. My elder sister, I had to block her. I had to block my elder sister, you know. Yeah, reasons, personal reasons, you know. No. False.
The answer is false, yeah?
Yeah, false. I've never been catfished before. At all. Yeah. Sorry, this is quite explicit. A guy wanted to, you know, it was an intercourse, so the girl pulled on a guy's face. So yeah, it's like the funniest thing I've seen. Yeah. For real. Yeah, I'm being sincere, you know. It's basically on WhatsApp. Viewing of people's status, if at all I can take that off, I'll do that. It's partially A. I've received, but I've never sent. You know, I've received, but I've never sent. Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I don't even do crazy stuff there. I only promote my music stuff on social media. That's basically the only thing I do. Basically. I think my love life, if at all I had one, I wouldn't get that on social media. Being discovered as a stalker, I hate stalking. I'm sorry. The fetish belief of social media is 666, is devilish, this one, that one, you know. I love the fact that it connects people like from different continents, you know. Just split period of time, you know. Yeah. Probably pro chat, I think. Pro chat. approach art. Yeah, I've got reasons. My dad has similar. He worked with the technology company and all that. So he had intentions like that. That was the name he had in mind, basically. Yo guys, thanks for watching my session. You can follow, like, and subscribe to their channel. But also you can follow me on my social media pages at Maupheen on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Maupheen, Maupheen. Thank you.